I would begin by saying that land is life. But what is life without land? Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned ministry and through this August House about the plight of my people who are living in the border with Assam and Bangladesh. Mr. Speaker, sir, for many years, my people living in the border have been facing persistent threat to their land and even to their life. Time and again, group of miscreants from neighboring Assam and neighboring Bangladesh have been intimidating and threatening the life of my people from time to time, and many times they have forcefully taken away their agricultural produce and even their household produce belonging to my people. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to mention here that my people are living in constant fear, and many of them have lost their livelihood because their land have been encroached upon and their land have been forcefully taken away by these people. I am afraid, Mr. Speaker, sir, that at this very moment while I am speaking, I am quite sure that there are people like those living in a village called Mukro in West Jaintia Hills who